what's up? It's Morgan. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day. Wanna know why? Wanna know why? Let me tell you. Actually, let me show you. Because these babies came in. These are the new rims that I bought for my car. Today, we're pimping out my ride. This is what they look like.
Sure, lug nut.
Got the lug nuts in there. So about a month ago is when I ordered these rims, and it was so frustrating because the lug nuts literally came in within 5 days. And yesterday I got 3 out of 4 of the rims. 3 out of 4, like, can you believe that? But now today the final rim got delivered, so about to put these babies on. This is the baby. So these are the rims that I have on it now. These are the ones that it came with, but we're about to put these on it. Right now we're about to test if the size matches. We're about to test fit the wheel right now. So yeah, before we take it into the place.
So once you mount the tire on it.
Oh, like put the tire on the rim?
Yeah, once you put the tire on there, you can't take the wheel back. You
mount the tire with the rim on it, then you can't return it. So that's why you gotta test it out first. Make sense?
Huh. These lug nuts don't fit.
What? You're kidding.
And these are the ones that the book said to get.
You can't put the old ones on there?
I was gonna say, but these are too wide. They won't go in there.
So the lug nuts that we ordered, that it said to order, are too small. And my old lug nuts that were on before, they're too wide to fit onto it with my rim. That's the problem we're having now.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? So, basically, we're gonna teach Morgan
today. Welcome back to Morgan Drew's channel.
Hey guys, welcome. No, I'm just like, man, this camera's nice though. Hey guys, welcome up.
Welcome up.
Welcome up. See, this is why I don't do this shit. Alright, y'all, today is, what's today's date? It is May
21st.
March, April, May. Oh shit, damn, way behind. Today, it's in May. May what? May 20th? May 21st. Morgan finally got her black rims. Her black rims came in about 2-3 days ago. Now she's getting them on. Are you excited? She's excited. It's gonna look fucking lot.
Oh, I just spit. It's gonna look cute, or as like Andrew likes to call it, badass.
It's gonna look fucking badass. Oh, tell them about her. Okay, look, so she came up with this idea.
So I always love, like, if a random word pops in my head, I always think of it as like a dog name. And I was going to buy a Topo Chico because I love these, and I thought, what if I had 2 dogs and named it Topo and Chico?
Let me see the name. Wait, so Topo, Chico.
And then 1 grapefruit.
One name, yeah, great. That's a good one. Basically, just like, because I have a dog named Crouton. Same thing, naming a type of food or fruit or whatever that's what we're talking about. Trust me, Crouton is a little wiggly.
Look at how many subscribers I have.
Oh shit, my finger's in there. Hold on. 994. Today is the day 1. Okay.
So this is before. Got those rims on it. This is what it looks like. Y'all, the car is done. The rims are on. This is the final look. wanted to get on here real quick and vlog because last night I went to bed and I had 997 subscribers. I am about to meet up with all my best friends for the first time in literally months because of this whole quarantine thing. We got an Airbnb beach house, so we're all meeting up there, and some of us are coming from Dallas, some are coming from Austin, and then some of us are here in Houston. So it's the first time like my whole friend group is going to be together, and I'm literally, I cannot wait to see them. I can't wait to be with them. When I do hit 1,000, I want to get their reaction on camera, because literally my friends have been my biggest supporters when it comes to YouTube, just helping me like promote my videos, get views, tell other people. All of them have just been literally the best like friends I could ever ask for, and so they all know how much of a goal this has been for me. When I do reach 1,000, I cannot wait to tell them and just thank them for everything that they've done for me. My family and my friends honestly have just supported me so much through this. I know it's just like 1,000, that's really not a lot, but to me it's been such a big goal of mine and it's a lot to me, so I'm just I'm excited, and now I feel like the countdown has begun. It's just waiting until that moment.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Morgan hit 1,000 subscribers.
Woo!